any business must be started with a well-laid plan, including financial costs, equipment requirements, policies, management, recruitment procedures, and many other factors that determine success. After all, it is unadvisable to withdraw later due to inefficient planning. The same applies while opening a preschool. And today I have come up with a series of short videos in which we will discuss how to start and run a profitable preschool with low investment and gain high returns. This series will focus on various aspects that will help you choose the right preschool franchise model in India. Successfully running any enterprise today always demands noteworthy investment. If you are thinking of opening a preschool, it is better to be acquainted with investment requirements first to ensure maximum benefits at your side. It takes a lot of effort while opening a preschool. Deciding a location, management, recruitment, and other things are significant to be discussed at first. One of these vital discussions include the investment you require to set up your preschool. You have to put in both commercial investment and efforts to make your preschool a success. Money plays one of the most important parts in any business setup. Commercial investment is needed for infrastructure, renting or purchasing a place for your preschool, administration of preschool, purchasing equipment, doing marketing expenses, and many other daily operations. You also need to come up with innovative approaches regularly to engage children and ensure their holistic and cognitive development. All these tasks can't be done alone. You require professional assistance to handle your preschool properly and make sure it goes in the right direction. But preschool franchises are pretty expensive. If you want to partner with a preschool franchise, you are bound to pay 13 to 15 lakhs as franchise costs together with 25 to 30% royalty every year. The constant regulations of these franchises adds to the pressure. Then how can you achieve a successful preschool with low investment? You can't skip guidance, neither can you afford it. Let me solve this for you. You can easily open a preschool only by investing in the commercial investment, which depends upon your choice of location, infrastructure, and other needs. It is better if you set your budget in the first place and invest accordingly. But what about the guidance? How much will it cost? In order to ensure growth and accomplished running of the preschool should be able to make profits. Is it possible to earn within a limited investment? Can you really set up a preschool within the cost? And many other abundant questions must be spinning in your head. However, let me tell you that now you can easily open a preschool without paying any franchise or royalty costs within a limited investment as per your budget. With Teeny Beans, you not only accomplish the opening of preschool in the lowest investment possible, but also you get constant help from professionals to run your preschool efficiently while making the highest return on your investment. That means you save all those 13 to 15 lakhs and royalty you are going to invest in a brand that gives you no independence of running the preschool for which you invested so much. You can open the preschool with any brand name you choose and set guidelines for it yourself. Teeny Beans doesn't control your freedom. Our professionally experienced team will share their skills and experiences with you to run your preschool profitably. Don't forget the best part, where you earn a high return on investment by only investing minimum capital required. What are you waiting for then? Teeny Beans, the best zero royalty preschool franchise, is there to support you in your success. For more queries, contact us by visiting our website www.teenybeans.in. This was all about how you can lower investment while setting up a preschool. The next video in this series will cover how to utilize a preschool space efficiently. See you in the next video, and in case of any doubts regarding the education business, please reach out to us. And for more information on the preschool business, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Until then, goodbye.